Welcome back to another Cooking with Will. Today we're going to be making some cream cheese rangoons with 5 easy ingredients. I'm going to add some turkey bacon into it, some chopped mushrooms, some of this Tillamook cream cheese. We got some wonton wrappers that I got from the Asian market, and then also some green onion. I'm going to first start off by chopping up this turkey bacon. So all I did was stick it into my air fryer to crisp it up. You're just going to chop it up into bits. Just like that. And then transfer it to a bowl. Final product should look like that. So it's little bacon bits. I'm gonna cut my veggies now. So I have 2 stalks of green onion. Make sure to wash your veggies. Okay. You're gonna toss this into the bowl as well. Okay, so now you have your bacon and your green onion. And now I'm taking about a cup's worth of white mushrooms. You're gonna just dice it up as well. Okay, so you have the mushrooms, the bacon, and the green onion all into a bowl now. So you're gonna take the cream cheese. So this cream cheese is a veggie cream cheese. Thought it would add some extra flavor than just using an original one, but you can easily just use an original one and it'll still taste good. So I'm gonna put this whole thing into this mixture right here. So you're just gonna take a spoon and then scoop it into the chopped ingredients. Make sure that the cream cheese has been sitting out for a little bit so it's room temperature and it's easier to mix and combine. Plop that into there, just like that. Then you're just gonna start folding it in as best as you can. That way it's well combined. And this is how they usually make like flavored cream cheeses. Say they take a base and then they mix in whatever ingredients they want to eat it with. Mix that in just like that. Ooh, this looks so good. This would be so nice on top of a bagel. After you're done mixing, should look like that. Looks consistent all around. And then you just take some of the wonton wrappers out. Not sure how much this is gonna make, but we shall see. Just take one of the wonton wrappers, put it into your palm, and you're gonna scoop in about a spoonful to the center of the wrapper. Like that. Okay. To make the shape of a regular rangoon you would see out in like the Chinese buffet or Panda Express, I have an egg wash on the side, so it's literally just 1 egg to help seal it together. You're gonna brush the edges with egg wash, just like so. Okay, and once you've brushed it on all the edges, you're gonna bring 2 of the corners up to the center, pinch it so it's gonna look like a little triangle, and then you're gonna take the remaining 2 and bring it towards the center of that, and then pinch the remaining down. So it should look like that. I don't know if you can see that. So it's like a little pyramid shape. Just make sure it's pinch all of the edges together so they're nice and sealed, so no oil comes leaking into the rangoon. It's like a little pyramid. Okay, and then you're just gonna leave this on a tray next to you, and then just continue making it. So after wrapping all of them together, I managed to get about 17 rangoons. I'm gonna take a little pot. I'm gonna take vegetable oil. I'm gonna fill it up to where it's about maybe an inch deep. Okay, now that the oil is hot, usually I would just take a wooden chopstick, stick it in there, and if it's bubbling around the chopstick, then I know it's ready. So we're gonna take one of these bad boys and just drop one in first to test it. It's starting to sizzle, yep, and then just drop it in there. Yeah, beautiful. I'm just gonna fry this until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, once it's nice and golden brown like that, just transfer it on over to a drying rack. Okay, and then I'm just gonna repeat that for all of these. So I'm actually gonna save these and freeze like half of them, just eat only partial. There we have it, the final product. Roll the food porn.